Hey everybody, here's a new addition to the fleet. It's Kato, one of the GE ES44AC's, obviously UP. I've got the 5515, which I think is also an ES44AC, so let's see how she goes. Highball. Yeah, clean that track. Looks pretty sharp. I think these are on sale for like 85 bucks. Tony's Train Exchange up in Essex, I think it's Essex Junction, Vermont. Be kind of the most modern units on my layout. Zoom in by this old GP20. Take a look at some of the detail there. Not bad at all. Okay, let's take a look at the BNSF. Also, one of the ES44ACs, the 5959 from BNSF. Starting to add a little more early BN to my layout. In fact, I saw one of these a couple months ago. It was on the point of the Coast Starlight, 70 miles an hour heading down towards Salem. Let's take a look here. Very nice looking. Not bad at all. Yeah, it fits right in for 90s and 2000s Oregon railroading. Okay, you know what we're going to do, right? So we had this train set up the other day for a big 90s SP. Oh. We'll go get his buddy. Highball. these two are going to have no problem on this layout. This run's being supervised by our granddaughter.